Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Today we will talk about expected cutoff score and expected cutoff rank category wise as well as branch wise. And after the new reservation policy where OBC got 27% and EWS 10% of reservation in seat in All India quota scheme. So after that reservation is applicable, what will be the expected cutoff and cutoff rank? So this is all our based on our assumption and calculation. In the real practice the numbers may change, and there is high chance that it will change, because when we calculate the expected score and expected rank, then we have to keep other factors in mind which is not available right now. So you can take it as an assumption, but it will definitely help you in assessing your current progress. And if you are too much of optimistic after this reservation policy, if you come under OBC and EWS, then you will get a realistic idea how much of benefit you will be getting. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, hit the like button, that gives us motivation, and you can share it with your friends as well. In the description you can find Telegram group link which you can join. Very useful ebooks are available for deemed universities, a separate ebook for all open state cutoff, last year cutoff, tuition fee, seat matrix, branch wise cutoff. You can find a separate open state ebook, and for DNB counseling you can find a separate DNB counseling, which is really very important. And if you want to avail our paid services and you want to go ahead right now, you can get 20% of discount. On top of that, you can get other benefits right now based on your current preparation, and out of 800 based on your test, marrow or whatever test you have already subscribed to, based on that score I can predict your rank and how much improvement you can do. Based on that rank I can tell you where you have option, including all India quota, DNB and private colleges, including open state and deemed. So what an option you can get in this rank, so that you have very clear vision after a couple of months down the line, after exam is done and result is announced, then what exactly you are going to get. So you must be having time now, and that can give you a motivation that your current progress is in sync with your target, and that will boost up your score as well. So before we talk into detail about the expected all India quota 50% expected cutoff score and rank, I would like to mention few points. Since the edit window is open for changing in category, so there are chance, see, if there was no edit window open for change in category, then the expected cutoff for OBC and EWS would have been much better. On lower marks also you could have get, but since they allowed to change their category or to correct their category, so you can see the benefit definitely will be there for OBC and EWS, but it won't be that much. If there was no edit window, then you could have get a lots of benefit, much more benefit than with edit window. Okay, but opening edit window was a fair thing. Everyone should be given chance to correct their category. And talking about general category students, definitely they will be getting a slight kick towards cutoff, and their cutoff will shift a little bit up, okay, but not very much. So this is our assumption. Based on our assumption and calculation and our experience, we are giving this figure. If you find it is wrong, you are free to leave your comments, and I am ready to accept it. Okay, I know it will change because I am giving it very much well ahead, and without having some information that is required to calculate the expected cutoff and expected score and expected rank. So let's talk about radio. I have included all the clinical branches only up to pathology, and it is for MD MS courses, no diploma, no DNB. So keep in mind, it's for all India MD MS courses. So if you talk about radio, the expected If you talk about radio, the expected cutoff for radio for general category, it will be 3000, and for OBC you can see a difference of like 400. In upper clinical branches, the difference in cutoff rank will be less, but once you move towards lower clinical branches like general surgery, ENT, anesthesia and pathology, you can see the difference between UR cutoff and OBC cutoff and EWS cutoff rank will be higher. Okay, so in radio you can get up to rank of 3000. I have given one figure, but it should be a range, but I have given just upper limit. Can go up to 3000 and OBC up to 3400. So you can see 400 of advantage that you are getting, and for EWS candidate 3700. So 700 of 700 rank advantage you are getting. And if you see the score for general category, you need to have 585 to 590, and for OBC 578 to 584. So if you analyze as per marks required, you will be getting like 4 to 5 marks or somewhere 6 marks benefit if you come under OBC category. And in case you come under EWS category, then you may get a benefit of 10 marks. What does it mean? If you fall under OBC category and you are getting like 5 marks lesser than a candidate who is in general category, still you can grab the same seat in same college, means branch college combination, same you can get in 5 marks lesser than general category. And if you come under OBC EWS, then in 7 to 10 marks less, 70 to 10 marks gap you have, lesser marks you have, still you can grab the same seat, which requires 7 marks more for your category to get a seat. So you are getting, I'm just trying to explain you what benefit you are getting out of this OBC and EWS implementation in All India quota. See, 27% reservation is there, but we have to see the competition level also. The number of candidates fall under OBC category is huge compared to number of candidates falling under EWS category. So even though you have 10% there and 27% in OBC, but you will be getting more benefit in EWS than OBC. So you can see for any branch, you see your rank required. Let's say pediatrics, it requires 5600 rank. For OBC it requires 6000, so you got a benefit of 400 rank. In EWS it got benefit of 1000 rank, 900 approx. So even though you have just 10% of reservation, you get more benefit if you come under EWS. So coming under EWS is more beneficial than coming under OBC. Earlier we used to have more or less same cutoff for OBC and general category, but now this year onwards, general OBC category students will be having a substantial advantage over general category, and EWS will be having a good advantage over general category candidates. So this is the expected cutoff. I am not going to read out each and everything because it's available on the screen, and you can take a screenshot for both the tables. And I also want to mention you that we put so much of effort towards creating any single video that goes from NEET Mentor. It really requires some effort and research from our side, and we create a presentation, and in that presentation we showcase all the things. So if you want to regard our effort, you should hit the like button. That doesn't cost anything from your pocket. Okay, and in case you want to avail the paid services, you can call us onto the number 9319 128677, and you can discuss what are the advantages and how we can support it in detail. Okay, let's get one more idea. If in case you have a mindset to close your deal in NEET PG, by getting any clinical seat. You don't want to go for non-clinical seat, you don't want to go for DNB seat, you don't want to go for private medical colleges, you don't have budget. Then you have the only one option, that is MD/MS course through All India quota or your state counseling. It depends on which state you come from. I have created a separate video for high merit and low merit states in India for NEET PG 2021. There are states where you get advantage over All India quota cutoff. It means in All India quota, if you are able to get particular seat in X marks, then if you come from low merit states like Odisha, West Bengal, Maharashtra and Gujarat, so such states, Uttar Pradesh is still high merit state. So in case you come from low merit, you secure the same seat, same branch in the same college in lesser marks. You come from high merit state like Delhi, Haryana, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, you require more marks to get a seat through state counseling process compared to All India quota. Okay, so you need to understand such things. This all comes under what you can say, your counseling strategy or counseling planning, so that you have 80% control over what is going to happen, what type of seat, in what budget you are going to get. So it should be very much well thought, so that you don't get any kind of hiccup when really the counseling starts, and the way you are thinking, I would be getting this much, this seat I can get, this branch I can get, and really it is way apart. So you should have very realistic figure. That's why expert counseling or expert advice is very much required. Okay, so that's it from my side. I don't want to prolong the video. So if you have any question in suggestion, you can comment us in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a great day.